Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Hope all is well. Welcome back to another video. And so today we're going to be taking a look at the TOZO NC20 Pro active noise cancellation wireless earbuds. Now these are going to be coming with some features that you normally don't see on headphones, especially for this price point. And so yeah, they're going to be on sale right now for $59.99, marked down from the original $79.99 price point. So you can actually pick them up for a really good deal. And so yeah, these are going to be offering LDAC Hi-Res stereo bass, as well as 6 microphones with AI calling, 80 hours playtime with the charging case, as well as IPX8 waterproof and also wireless charging. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you stay locked in to the end of the video. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So yeah, in this video, not only are we going to be unboxing the TOZO NC20 Pro active noise cancellation wireless earphones, but we're also going to be talking about some of the crazy features that stand out, especially at this price point. And so yeah, I'm really excited to talk about all the features that come packed with these earphones. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look at what comes inside the box. So the first thing we're going to be greeted with is the headphones, the quick guide, the user manual, the contact card as well. And yeah, this thing goes into complete detail with everything that you need to know about these headphones. And yeah, the features are solid. So we're going to be jumping into that in just a second. You also do get a short cable, which is type C to type A, as well as additional pairs of ear tips, so that you can match them with the correct fit, so that you have a comfortable seal when it comes to listening to the music. These are also going to be giving you TOZO's latest innovation, which is their LCD touchscreen, which is going to allow you to control numerous functions that I want to jump into later in the video. So make sure you stay locked in for that, because yeah, it gets pretty crazy when it comes to everything that you control when on these earphones through the actual case on here. So I definitely think that TOZO always does a really good job when it comes to presentation and design. And so yeah, these are very ergonomic. They're going to be made of a glossy material in the hand, which feels, you know, a little bit slippery obviously when you're holding it, but yeah, it has a nice size and form factor to it. And I definitely think the design and aesthetics of these headphones stand out, because they're going to be nice and snug when it comes to the fit, lightweight, and easy to carry. And so the two colors that I'm seeing on Amazon right now are the titanium champagne and the titanium black. So you could actually pick both of these up right now for the price of $59.99. marked all the way down from $79.99. And so yeah, this is going to be one of the best deals that I think you could possibly grab right now when it comes to a set of headphones, not only with that smart screen with the LCD panel on them, which we'll jump into just a second, but these also are going to have a very good sound quality with detailed signatures when it comes to the listening of the audio. And yeah, I'll jump into that in just a second, but overall, I definitely like the way that the case looks. It has a very unique design. Feel in the hand is really good because it's going to be able to fit in the small pocket of your jeans. You also do have, you know, type C on the bottom, as well as a pairing button on the bottom, which is going to actually allow you to reset them and turn the LCD smart display on and off. So you're also going to get features like low latency mode, the settings, which has a lot of features that I want to jump into. You also have your equalizer, find my earphones, as well, a volume control, switching the tracks forward and back, as well as EQ modes as well when it comes to that smart touch display. But I really think that the audio quality from these headphones is going to stand out, because these have a patented technology which is engineered for a highly enhanced music quality with the titanium and dual magnetic drivers. This system is going to unleash crystal clear highs, rich lows, and lightning fast response at a studio grade level. These also support LDAC with Hi-Res Audio Wireless, the Orange X Pro technology, which is their patented high-res lossless signature sound, and the Bluetooth 5.4 to give you that crisp quality and detail. And so yeah, it's pretty straightforward to pair these guys up. Basically, all you have to do is take them out of the case or lift the lid. The charging box will connect to your smartphone first, and then you can actually pair up the headphones after that. One of the unique things is that these will also offer wireless charging through the case. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit slower than the wired mode, but I definitely like that they pack that in there. And so yeah, this is going to be pretty cool because it's going to have 45 dB active noise cancellation, as well as some really good transparency mode. And there's actually 6 different modes when it comes to the noise cancellation on here. So depending on what scenario you're in would be the one that you would actually pick. So they're going to have one for adaptive, leisure, wind canceling. They even have just regular noise cancellation, normal, and transparency. So yeah, you get everything inside of the touch display when it comes to adjusting that sound level to match your environment. And so yeah, you slide across, you can unlock it, you can get to your next track or previous track and control everything that you're doing on your smartphone through the charging case, which is going to add convenience because you don't actually have to reach for your phone all the time. Obviously, these are going to have that IPX8 resistancy to water, which is going to be pretty solid because you don't have to worry about them getting wet. And the EQ modes are going to be controllable here as well. Another solid benefit to these earphones is that they're going to be able to give you the 0.05 ultra low latency, which is going to allow you to not only sync perfectly for gaming and streaming, so you're going to be able to enjoy things when you're watching movies, gaming. It's going to make it so that the lips and the audio match up perfectly without any delay. And so that's going to be a solid thing that these offer as well. The good news is that we also do get dual device connectivity so that you can connect 2 devices at once to be able to switch smoothly between your phone, PC, or 2 phones, or even a tablet. And so yeah, you even get the in-ear detection feature so that when you take the earphone out of your ear or whatever, the smart wear sensors automatically play when you put them back in and pause when you take them out, which is like really cool. So yeah, I found that feature worked really well, especially if someone starts talking and you want to be able to hear what they say right away without having to pull out your phone and pause it. That's going to work great for that. Another thing that impressed me is that when it comes to the TOZO NC20 Pros, you're going to have 32 preset EQ modes, which is nuts because they also allow you to log into the app and unlock those EQs as well. But there's also thousands of EQs shared by audiophiles worldwide that you can actually share just through the app. And yeah, you can basically customize it from their, the ones that they actually created. So it's going to be a large community of audiophiles and different experiences here.
Hey, what's up? So I'm using the NC20 Pros right now, and it's actually a lot of traffic around me and a lot of background noise, but just wanted to give you guys an idea of what it looks like and what it sounds like. Actually, just what it sounds like when I'm in a noisy environment. So right now I'm just using the microphones right here. But yeah, this is just a quick microphone test outdoors. This is what it would sound like if you were taking phone calls or something like that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the microphones on the TOZO NC20 Pros. So yeah, this is just a quick outdoor mic test. Let me know what you guys think about how I sound. Can you hear me pretty well when it comes to the clarity of the vocals from these microphones on these headsets? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. On a scale of 1 to 10, let me know what you guys think about the microphones on the TOZO NC20 Pros. But yeah, this is just a quick microphone test on these earbuds. So I just wanted to let you guys know what it would sound like if you were in a busy outdoor environment when you were like speaking through the microphones.
All
Okay.
right, so this blew my mind right here, as that the TOZO NC20 Pros are going to have this technology called Smart Power technology. It's a low powered chip combined with intelligent power management, which delivers efficient and energy use and precise monitoring. So yeah, with that feature alone, you're going to get 30 hours of listening time with the headset and 80 hours with the charging case. Yeah, so that's pretty crazy when it comes to these headphones, when it comes to the battery life. So overall, my final thoughts on the TOZO NC20 Pros is that they're going to deliver a really good experience with the 12mm large dynamic drivers paired with the DLC diaphragm crafted for audio enthusiasts. It's going to give you a high-res audio listening experience, which is going to be unmatched in the audio department, especially for the price. Extremely long battery life with the 30 hours per charge, 20 with the ANC on, but you know, with the charging case, 80 hours and 63 with the ANC on. IPX8, which is going to deliver you know, that nano waterproof coating to protect it from water damage and outdoor environments, which during rainy commutes. Wear detection, multi-connection for, you know, different devices, 2 devices at once that you could connect them simultaneously with. Yeah, wireless charging on here too. These are going to be unmatched as far as the features, as well as that smart screen with the LCD on there, and even the gaming mode, which is going to allow you to, you know, have seamless audio. Let me know what you guys think about the TOZO NC20 Pros. If you're still here, just type down in the comment section. I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'm going to hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Namaste.